Welcome to our language school of the world, where our expert teachers make learning English easy and fun.
Okay. So, how was your exam, Shelby?
Oh, I passed it with flying colors.
Wow. So, I bet you're tickled pink, huh?
I am tickled pink, exactly. I'm very excited.
The fact that she passed the exam with flying colours happens like once in every blue moon. Like hardly ever, very rarely.
So, do you know what we're talking about? These are very colourful expressions and a fun way to add extra vocabulary and vibrancy to your English fluency. Now, of course, in this video, you've probably understood we're going to look at different idiomatic expressions using colours. So before we start, however, please can you click on the subscribe button so that you also never miss out on our free content and our channel can continue growing.
Exactly. Basically, if you liked it, like it.
Your support means the world to us. Thank you.
Okay, so let's dive into some idioms using colours. Let's start with the colour red. Yeah, red, fine.
Yes, I like red.
Okay.
Very passionate, also a color of power and warning.
There, yeah. I mean, red, as you know, in England, is a very used colour. Very iconic of London. The double-decker buses, the King's Guards, the telephone booths. Red is all over the place in England.
Okay, so can you think of any idiomatic expressions using red?
Ooh, I can think of one when you catch someone red-handed.
So you catch them in the act of committing the crime.
Exactly.
Or doing something wrong. Yeah?
Exactly.
Right.
It's a little bit brutal. It's like when you see them with blood on their hands, you know
sure.
that they are the culprit.
Yeah, cool. Right.
So, for example, a sentence that you could use using to catch someone red-handed is, John promised he would stop smoking, but when I went into the kitchen, I caught him lighting a cigarette.
You caught him red-handed.
Got it red-handed, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Another idiom using red is red tape. Red tape means basically the bureaucracy, when there's loads of processes and procedures to go through with the governmental offices and so on. A lot of red tape to get through.
So what about a sentence that we can use, for example, is when people apply for a visa in another country, there's usually a lot of red tape. Or, for example, you could tell your boss, the project would have finished weeks ago if we didn't have to deal with the department's red tape.
Exactly, good.
I can also think of another one, which is to see red.
Yes. It's whenever you're fuming, you're so angry that your vision goes red.
Exactly, yeah. Become really, really furious. Absolutely. And when are you furious? When you are in the red. In the red means on your bank account, you are completely in debt. You are -0. You are in the red. And that's when you see red, absolutely.
Yeah, so you both see red and you are in the red.
Exactly. Okay, so another red idiom I can think of is to raise a red flag. It's to signal a warning. Or even if you see a red flag of someone, it means they have a bad quality. It's a warning. Don't go near.
Yeah. Exactly, especially, for example, when you go to the sea, there's a red flag.
Sure.
Exactly.
Absolutely, yeah. A very positive one instead, for example, is to paint the town red. Paint the town red. Means go out for a really fun, wild night with your friends. Shelby, let's go paint the town red.
Right now, let's go.
And another one I can think of is to roll out the red carpet. Now, that is, of course, that is what we do to our students. When they come to the school. We always roll out the red carpet, so we give someone a very warm welcome and a special treatment.
Just like the red carpet you see celebrities walking on at movie premieres.
Yeah, they all come to us, to our courses like this. Yeah, very movie. Very
absolutely. They're all stars.
They're all stars. And treated as such, absolutely.
So now let's move on to another color. Unless you guys can think of other red.
Well, to go red, simply when you're very embarrassed, to get red-faced, for example, turn red, let's say, because he's turned red, because his sensor, he's really embarrassed.
That's true.
But that's very easy to understand, because literally you do turn red.
Yeah.
So another color that I really like a lot is black.
Yes.
Slings,
So
yes.
it's slings.
Exactly. Very mysterious.
Exactly.
Very elegant.
It is elegant, exactly, very formal as well. And however, it can also signify some negativity, secrecy. What about in British culture, Nigel?
Black.
So yeah, formal wear, and
sure.
I can think about also the taxis.
Yeah, taxis, for example.
Cabs, because you guys call them cabs, don't you?
Absolutely. Taxis or cabs. Obviously, black connected to black tie. It's a black tie event. It means a very elegant, posh, dress-up event. Absolutely. You've got to wear your black tie, your bow tie, basically. That means.
So what about to be in the black? Have you ever heard of that? Or do you use that?
I actually haven't used this one before.
So let's say it is the opposite of to be in the red.
Yeah.
Okay.
It needs to be financially solvent.
Yeah, okay, we like that. Excellent.
No, you've got loads of money in your bank account. You're above zero.
Or
Black
what?
sheep. Black
Oh, the black sheep.
Shane,
Ooh.
I bet you were the black sheep of the family, right?
Absolutely, yes. Black sheep for sure. It's whenever someone doesn't quite fit in, they're maybe not typically the family member that is the most successful. Maybe they're the rebel of the group.
Yeah.
So Kevin, all the members of the family, all the predecessors, the ancestors were lawyers and doctors. Kevin decided to become an artist. He's the black sheep of the family. Did something completely different from what was expected from him.
Exactly. Or what about the pot calling the kettle black? Have you heard this one before?
No.
Oh, it's very common. It's whenever someone accuses someone else of something that they themselves do. It's very hypocritical.
Okay, so something like Sarah criticizing Mark for being late is a case of the pot calling the kettle black. She's never on time.
Yeah, we all know Sarah never shows up on time.
Sarah.
To black out, a blackout obviously is when the electricity is absent, for example, and you get a blackout. Or talking about a person, you can black out, which is lose consciousness, basically.
Exactly. Or if you go a little wild over the weekend and you drink a little too much and then you wake up the next morning and you don't remember what happened quite, you blacked out. So you don't have any memory of what happened.
Yeah, things are not black and white on that occasion. Black and white, which means very clear and easy to understand. There's no ambiguity. It is black and white.
Exactly. Or you can put something down in black and white. So you write something down in print to make it official.
Exactly. So if you like this video about idioms, wait for the next video that we're going to be talking about idiomatic expressions or idioms with other two colors, which are blue and green, and also mixed colors.
Can you guess some of them already? Write it in the comments. Okay.
If you liked it, like it.
And please click on the subscribe button, and thank you for watching.